What if the rotary engine wasn't just a legend? What if it was the future? For years, we've been hearing whispers, hoping, and waiting for Mazda to bring back its most iconic piece of engineering. And today at the Japan Mobility Show, they didn't just bring it back. They've made it the heart of a sustainable 510 horsepower monster. This is the Mazda Vision X-Coupe, and it might just be the most beautiful, radical thing Mazda has ever designed. Just look at this thing. Mazda calls its design KODO, Soul of Motion, but this is something more. This is KODO Unleashed. The first thing you notice is the size. This crossover coupe is long, stretching over 5,050 millimeters with a massive 3,080 millimeter wheelbase. That's longer than a CX-90, but look at how low it is, just 1,480 millimeters tall. It's a predator crouched and ready. That KODO grille has evolved. It's not just a frame anymore, it looks like the entire front fascia is breathing, with integrated seamless lighting that flows into the razor-thin headlights. These are almost certainly some kind of micro-LED technology. And the doors, are they pillarless? It looks like it, giving it a true open coupe feeling when you get in. The way the light plays off those flowing body panels with no sharp, ugly creases. It's like liquid metal. It sits on what must be massive 22 or even 23-inch alloy wheels with a design that looks like a turbine, probably designed to optimize aerodynamics. Now, as a crossover, you'd expect a high ground clearance, but Mazda is clearly prioritizing the coupe part of the name. I'd be surprised if this has more than 160 millimeters of clearance, so no, you're not taking this rock crawling. But that's not the point, is it? The only potential downside to this gorgeous shape? That sloping roofline. It's stunning, but we'll see what it does to the interior. Mazda hasn't shown us the full interior, but they're talking about radically human design. That means we can expect a cabin that's minimalist, driver-focused, and wrapped in stunning, sustainable materials. They mentioned carbon-neutral fuel from microalgae, so expect to see that same eco-conscious mindset inside. Maybe some kind of woven fabric from recycled materials or reclaimed wood. I'm picturing a long, sweeping digital display, but not one that's overwhelming. Mazda loves physical controls. That Jinba Itai, driver and car as one feeling, so I'd expect a perfect blend of high-tech screens and satisfying tactile knobs and switches for the things that matter. But again, that roofline. Headroom in the back? It's probably going to be a kids-only zone, or for adults who don't mind a bit of a slouch on short trips. This is where it gets wild. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Mazda mentioned Mazda Mobile Carbon Capture technology. The car cleans the air? It supposedly captures CO2 from the atmosphere as it drives. That's a bold claim, and I want to see how it works. On the dash, I'd be shocked if it didn't include the new empathetic AI that Mazda is also showing off. A co-pilot that learns your habits and feels like a true partner. Okay, the main event. The powertrain. This is a plug-in hybrid, but not like any PHEV you've ever seen. It combines a two-rotor rotary turbo engine. Yes, turbo. With a motor and battery. The total system output? 510 horsepower. This will be an all-wheel drive system, so 0 to 60? Mazda is silent, but with this much power, are we looking at a sub-4-second car? I think we are. Top speed will likely be electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour. But here's the magic. Mazda claims it can go 160 kilometers, that's almost 100 miles, in motor-only mode. And when the rotary kicks in, it's not just a generator, it's part of the show, giving you a total combined driving range of up to 800 kilometers. This is the Rotary's new life. Powerful, efficient, and clean, especially when running on that microalgae fuel. Towing, let's be realistic. Mazda is not going to put a tow hitch on this. It's a driver's car, period. For safety, you can bet this will be the debut platform for the next generation of iActive Sense. We're talking level 3 hands-off driving on the highway, AI-powered hazard detection, the works. This is the big question. If. And it's a big if. If Mazda builds this, what does it cost? This is a flagship. This is a halo car. This is 510 horsepower, rotary-powered carbon capturing art. This isn't competing with a RAV4. It's gunning for the high-end German coupes. I'd be shocked if this started at anything less than $70,000, and a fully optioned model could easily push $85,000 or more? What do you think? Is this the future of Mazda? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.